Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to use a credit card in order to purchase a snack or a beverage, a soda, Pepsi, in a vending machine, a public vending machine in the United States. And so, back in the old day, we used to pay with cash or change. So I want to show you how to use a credit card. This is a Visa, and I'm going to purchase me a 20-ounce Pepsi. There we go, 20-ounce Pepsi. So with this card, I actually have two ways to do it. I could either slide it down here, or I can do the little reader here. And that's basically an EMC reader, EMC chip. You can see there's the chip right there. And that stands for EuroPay, Mastercard, Visa chip. That's usually a more secure way to use your credit card because it's basically directly from the chip to here, and it's very difficult to copy this chip. Whereas if you copy the scanner, you'll see it in gas stations or in ATMs. Or I forgot the name of the terminology of the part that criminals will put on there. And what it'll do is it'll read your card, and they'll be able to copy your card. So the chip is the safest way to do it. So if you have a chip on your card and you have the option to use it, use it. Alright, so I want to go ahead and show you how to do the scanning first. So as you can see here, it shows you which direction you should hold it. So I should hold it in this direction. And what you do is you hold it like this. You can see there. And I'm going to quickly scan it. It says processing. Make selection. So I can choose here. But I'm going to actually do the chip. And so I'm going to cancel this. Vending cancel, no charge. Alright, so now instead I'm going to use the chip. And so the only thing you have to do is hold this chip up against that where it shows where you can scan the chip, right here. Processing. Make selection. Alright, so I'm going to choose Pepsi. Authorization request. Payment approved. Vending. Alright. Nice, quenching, refreshing Pepsi Cola. 250 calories, and serving is one bottle, 250 calories. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.